u-blox actively applies technology to society in creative and innovative ways. u-blox's Paul Goth ran a 10-day workshop in Taiwan, combining electronic devices and sportswear into wearable clothing. The workshop was aimed at fashion design students, showing that electronics is accessible and can open up a whole new set of creative possibilities for garments. For instance, speed is sent to the sock over Bluetooth. The cyclist sock vibrates to indicate how quickly they need to pedal. Or using a phone to discover the position and sending it to leggings. The leggings give feedback on the position accuracy through vibration and sensors. And for cyclist safety, using the phone and Bluetooth to control LED lights and knitted leg warmers. Or transferring data to a display. The top has the player's number in LED lights, he scores, and the LED lights make a dynamic pattern celebration. And using movements to control lights as the dancer performs, the LED top changes color depending on the arm position, bringing a new dimension to the performance. Just like technology brings a new dimension to clothing.